Hello guys, welcome back to Tech and Unbox with Anas. Today video we will implement new questions which is asking in the interviews. That is check whether a given number is prime or not in Java. To solving these problems, first we have to remember these points. So first one is the number 0 and 1 is not a prime. Means you already know, you have to know this 0 and 1 is not a prime. So you have to write these conditions. If your number is 0 and 1, then it will not a prime. This is our first condition. Next one is if our number is a number divisor of 2, not more than that, it's a prime number. So let's suppose here you have a 23. So this 23 should divisor by itself, that is 23, and also it will be divided by 1. This is the two divisor is called it as a prime numbers. What if it's also divided by 2, also 5, also 6? Then it will not a divisor. To implement this, we have to remember these things, these two things. Now let's implement the our method. So let's create the method public static void. It will not return and check prime is our method name. This is the static method. That our method have one parameters, that is int n, and represent the our values number. So let's implement this. The first point is a number 0 and 1 is not a prime. To check that, let's implement. So first of all, the divisor of only 2. So we need our one variables that count the divisor. So int count is our first variables that store the how many divisors that numbers have. And then you have to check that divisor is 2, it means it is a prime number. If it is more than that then it will not prime. Okay, so first condition is if uh, n is less than 2, means your number is less than 2, then directly write sys out the given number is is a number, that what numbers you have, just write the number, not a prime. So this condition is satisfied now. Okay, and the next one is now we have to implement the our logic part. So first of all we need a one loop. That loop should iterate and check how many dividers that numbers have. So for that, for int I is equal to 1, starting from the 1. If you are starting from the 0, then the every divisor is 0 0 0. It will not getting continue. So it will start from the 1 and I equals to 1. I should less than is equal to n and I plus plus. This is the condition is I should less than is equal to n. Whatever the numbers you have and that it will be a divisor by until that point. Okay, so inside of for loop, what you need to check the if an percentile 1 is equal to 0, not a 1. Sorry guys, it's not a 1, it's a I. I means it will 1 2 3 4 5 until the n. The our condition is in the n. it will divide until the n uh, is equal to 0. Then you also have to count. Okay, so you are going to count plus equal to 1. Count by 1. So it will count how many divisors your numbers have. Just like 23. So it will divide from the 1 to 23 how many divisors they have. So you know that the 23 it will not divisible by 1. It will divisible by only 1 and 23. It will not divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will be count how many divisors they have. After this, come out the for loop. Now the our after count is there now. Then you have to write your logic part here. If the count is greater than 2, then this out the given number is is n plus is not a prime number. Else this out the given number is n plus is prime numbers. So okay, here you are missing that plus to concatenate. So what they were doing here, if the count is greater than 2, it means it will not prime number. If it's if less than that, it means else the number is prime. So let's run this program and check our. Before that, you need to uh, create your main method here. Yeah. Main method imports, and your method is check prime now. Check prime. Let's take 23. Then run this program. Exception is and is delete this token. Uh, 15, 15, 15, 15. Okay, okay, okay. Plus is not there, na? That's why. Run this program again. See, the given number is 23, is a prime number. So this is the approach to solving this problem, the prime numbers. This is the one of the most interviewer asking the questions. So how to check the prime numbers in Java. They will also ask the how to solve in a efficient way, because here you are they were checking from the 0 to until your n. There might be n. Let's suppose 1 lakh. Continuously checking that until the here. So it will take much time. For that, you have to build the another one. We'll discuss in the another videos to the another approach. Let's say 10. Let's take 10 and run this. See, the given number is not a prime number. So it will working fine. So that's all about in this video. Next video, we will discuss another program. Thank you for watching Tech Unbox with Anas.